Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a healthy cooking recipe this time, and I've made millet burger. So this is a nice way to add millets to your kids' diet. This is super easy to prepare. I've made the burger with kodo millet this time, but you can use any millet which once cooked looks like rice. So I've got lots of millet recipes on my channel, so do consider subscribing and also click the bell for notifications. So let's jump into the recipe. Let's start with cooking the kodo millet. So I've washed the millet 2 to 3 times until the water became clear. And now I'm going to let this soak for 30 minutes. So let's leave it to soak for 30 minutes. Then I've taken a pan into which I'm adding the drained millet. Into this we'll also add water, normal water, double the quantity. If you've taken 1 cup, add 2 cups water. Add salt to taste and a little bit of oil. Now on medium flame, bring this water to a boil. Once the water boils, bring the flame to low. Cover and cook this for 8 to 10 minutes. Do keep a check on it. Once done, the millets need to be fluffed with a fork. And then we'll let it cool till room temperature. So I'm going to keep this aside. So to make the patty, I've fried some onion till golden brown, which I'm going to add to it. So we'll take the cooked millet in a bowl and add the patty ingredients to it. The full ingredients list is in the description box. So this is fried onion. We need about 2 to 3 teaspoons of the fried onion. So I've used a medium-sized onion. Let's add that in. Now let's add some grated ginger and garlic, some mint and coriander leaves, turmeric, red chilli powder and garam masala. You can adjust spice to your taste. Then some cumin and coriander powder. Next we are adding the gram flour. You can roast this and then add it as well. Now it's time to add the sesame seeds. Little bit of salt to taste, and then mix everything together. You can adjust the patty ingredients according to your taste. This is just an idea of what all ingredients you can add. So let's roll this into patties. I've applied some oil on my palms. I'm going to separate this into equal portions. And then we'll roll it into a burger patty. First roll it between your palms like that and flatten into a patty. So one is ready. Let's keep that aside and make the rest of them. So I've made all the patties. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I've heated some oil on low flame and I'm going to shallow fry the patties. So I'm cooking only 2 here because I only need 2. I'm going to freeze the rest of them and use them later. So the idea is to golden fry this patty from both sides and then remove it and let it cool. So you can prepare the patties beforehand and keep it in the fridge and then cook it up in the morning and prepare the burger. So to assemble the burger, I've just applied a little bit of mayo and ketchup to the buns, which I've toasted. I'm going to put some lettuce leaves. What you fill in the burger is totally up to you. I'm going to put the patty on top. Add some tomatoes, to which I've added salt and pepper. And I'm adding some fried onions. So that's how I'm assembling my burger. You can add cheese if you want and grill it. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.